Yakatiga Chaka Aji Kai Hapendianti La Player Kong 16 a member of parliament Haraja Sawa Hagajilang Kabalong Cleariat Higher Secondary School Cleariat Harinkat ke General Lang Archbishop Thomas Meram Perambil Apostolic Administration Uba KL Nongri edisi Cleariat Principal Parish Priest Kiramba Shnong Kinoy Kaibat Kisam Lapuli Aba Ajingkan Hakatiga General Kong Wansuk Kala Ai Jiro Igidong Punya Ibala Wan Punya Rikatanan Aji Kai Hakatiga Thain Kaban Pediang Hadu Shispa Lai Pungut Kisam Lapuli Nakabanta Kikardan undergraduate Hakaju opor ka Ai Jiro Bakadai Lamba Kachaka Puli Wan Punya Daki Kristan Kamtam E Jonga Jeslok Udan Bosco Bakala Puli Lat Babun Kisam Lawan Punya Chushu Ek Jinang Jingstat Kajongki Hakani kasi layo ru Ek Jingkran No Father F.M. Matthew Rector Bat Parish Priest Kakleriat Bat ru No Father Paul D. Persa Principal Badipe Yakati Kachaka Puli
I do not possess any academic or scholastic credentials to address you on these occasions. Perhaps the college management choose me to perform this ceremonial rite because of my humble contributions towards building the new campus. My contribution, howsoever small, it's only an enduring gift for the benefit of the younger generation who will achieve more scholastic heights and do better in life. Christian education institutions, especially Don Bosco, have contributed a lot for providing educational opportunities for all aspiring students. Were it not for the survival of such institutions like Don Bosco, with a team of dedicated teachers, the colleges would remain merely cardinal institutions rolling out batches of young men and women content with mediocre talents.